Okay, that was a bird.
What do you think it was? A tree snake?
I don't know. Ain't no telling. It could be anything out here.
I'm in the jungle.
We should bring some sunscreen and burn it up.
Without my
We ain't even been out that long. How are you already burning up? Alright guys, everybody pick you up a log and let's go.
Uh-huh.
Oh man, forgot my saw.
It's very possible we may see a deer run through or something.
Hey, y'all better get on the ground. You gonna get trampled. I told y'all, if y'all see a deer, y'all better pick y'all up a rock now. No, I'm just playing. Do not throw no rock at no deer, then you're really gonna get hurt. I got my smoke bombs.
Uh-huh.
Don't tell me you just almost fell. Mr. Mike can get up here then.
Yeah. Really?
No, it didn't. What are these supposed to be, stairs?
No.
A fall used to come through here. Give the earth this water. Watch out for black races now.
Hey, look, a stream.
Oh my God, you want to go down
Hey,
there?
a tree house. Okay. Look, a birdhouse.
I see a tree house.
It's a birdhouse.
I don't think nobody gonna be fitting up in there.
But you know what that birdhouse is?
What?
That's where they have eagles nesting from time to time.
Did you see Queen almost fall?
Yep.
I'm going down. What is that? A stream?
Quinn, don't trip over this.
Quinn went.
There it is.
Oh yeah. It's got up here.
What happened if I step on that?
On what?
This right here.
Nothing.
How would I pop in right there?
Not if you don't step on that.
That's ground.
Whoa!
Burning the shoulders up.
Y'all acting like that's a big hill or something. I can see Amanda struggling to get up here. When you fell, don't be talking.
I can't help it. I didn't see how to go.
That's why you got eyes.
Tripping again?
He's tripping over his bottom lip.
Oh, things like that. I'm driving right up here on top.
You know where you find it?
Come, snake.
Snake?
He thought he was standing on one.
Oh.